not bad at all.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Samuele Innocentini and today we are back at Paradigm Autoworks. We are back at the dyno, and in fact we have a Lamborghini Aventador SV on the dyno. We're going to do some dyno pulls and see the horsepower of that, and we have a big group from Corsa Games. We have a Huracan there, we have a nice R8 and a couple other nice luxury vehicles. Nice Audi here from the Diamond Rally, which just happened a week ago now. But yeah, we'll just go ahead with the intro and see how much horsepower we get with the Aventador. It's going to be good. As I was saying, we have the V12 there on the hoist. That's going to be so cool to hear on the dyno. Oh man, it's going to scream. But we have a very beautiful Huracan, very nice spec, and all forged carbon all around. And the most interesting part of this car is the new ala system that was all engineered and designed in Italy, where the air flows in from these vents and it actually comes out from underneath the spoiler, which adds incredible amount of downforce. Beautiful, all the forged carbon that goes all around, a couple of huge exhaust pipes. Really nice car. But next up is the Aventador.
See an amazing car presence here at our shop. It's definitely what we're all about here, and we also want to support your cause. This is a donation run going to the same charity that you guys are organizing this weekend. Again, thank you so much for coming down, and it's great to see everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Greg.
Let's go.
Come on, you could have plowed better than that.
Oh, come on.
Nice style, Dallas.
Get out of here.
Look at that.
I'm gonna let Greg touch
Huh? Hawaiian look right there.
Give him a bam.
it.
My name is what? My name is Sadie.
just unloaded the Aventador. As you guys can see, they're putting back the lower section of the pieces so they could hook it up correctly, but they got 600 horsepower to the wheel, so it's 20 to 25% drivetrain loss, and the machine just screamed. You guys probably saw from the video. It's insane. And next up, Porche Gt3. We'll see how much that puts on. Just grabbed a seat in the Aventador, which is pretty cool. Thank you to the owner. But yeah, this is an amazing machine. The pedals, starting from the pedals, they feel super nice finish, aluminum there. Nice paddles which are fixed. The steering mount, beautiful screen. Driving this is that's something else. All carbon fiber all the way around Alcantara. We got the start button in the middle console here. It's like a jet fighter. You pull it up and you're good to go. Lamborghini, baby. This is cool. Okay guys, so we're kind of wrapping up the day right now. We had the Aventador, the Porsche. It was pretty cool. We had the Porsche got 456, and once again that's with 20 to 25% loss to the powertrain there. But yeah, very cool day at Paradigm. I'll put the links in the description to their YouTube channel. Chris does a very good job, and yeah, we'll see these guys again in the future. And if you like the video, smash that subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay?
Relax, guys, relax. Relax.
Yeah.
Relax. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Table, beers.
When you're ready. When you're ready.
Dang it.
Go.
Oh man.
Go, come on.
Greg, don't shit yourself.
Oh! Hey, you.